Penny here from That's Just Penny and the Junk Journal Ministry. Today I'm going to show you how to print from the main site of That's Just Penny. Here's the home page. I'm clicking on the June monthly printable library. You can click either on the word June or the image on the left. Here it is, the main page for this month. I'm going to scroll down and just click on the image of a kit. A printable, and I choose that one. This is asking me for what Google account I want to open it up. So we're just opening it in Google Drive. Scrolling through, and now I'm going to try to print from Google Drive. We're not saving, we're just printing. So I'm scrolling all the way down. I'm going to find the word print. And I'm going to, another screen will pop up. There's my printer name at the top. I'm going to make sure that my orientation is on landscape. Most of my kits are in landscape. Make sure you have your printer's name. I have an Epson EcoTank. It is Wi-Fi, so my phone is set on Wi-Fi. It's an Android that I'm showing you here. And so I'm going to make sure everything is correct. Letter landscape. And I'm going to hit the green little print icon over on the right, and it is going to print out the pages. I hope you enjoyed this video.